You're watching Fox 17, part of the Scripps News Group.
Well, whether you're ready for it or not, it's that time of year again. Most Americans gearing up to lose an hour of sleep tonight when the clocks spring forward for daylight saving time. Medical experts say the practice can, though, have some negative health effects. About a third of adults already not getting enough sleep at night. 7 hours is what's recommended by the CDC. Altering sleep patterns can, of course, disrupt our hormones, our immune systems. It can also lead to elevated risks of heart attacks and stroke. Specialists recommend waking up earlier tomorrow in preparation for daylight saving time. They also say going outside for early morning sunshine the first week of the adjusted time, that can help your body acclimate. I actually feel like, Terry, for a Friday night, I got 8 hours of sleep last night.
Hey, how about that?
I was in bed at 6 o'clock on a Friday night.
Well, because you were supposed to be my +1 last night at an event, and I let you off the hook.
You did.
So,
I was like,
yeah.
I warned you. I was like, when I work on a Saturday morning, I'm the least fun person. I'm like, I'll try to be out, but
Yeah, that's okay. I let you off the hook. You did miss a really fun evening at the opening ceremonies for the Gun Lake Casino Hotel. They did a huge drone display, which is something that I have never seen before, and it was super cool. Okay, so just to get you prepared for what to expect in terms of sunrise, sunset times, today's sunrise, 7:06 in the morning, 6:40 this evening is sunset. Tomorrow, sunrise, 8:04 a.m., sunset, 7:42 p.m. So a couple of things here. We get later sunsets, we get later sunrises as well. So those kiddos on Monday morning are going to be going to school when it's darker. So be really, really careful on that Monday morning commute. Watch for those kids that could be scampering around, maybe difficult to see with, again, it's staying darker a little later in the morning. Checking out the live view this morning in downtown Holland. It is a quiet kickoff to the weekend. US 131 and the Ford Freeway interchange in downtown Grand Rapids, looking off to the north. 16, the cold spot in Big Rapids. It's 23 in Allegan and Kalamazoo. 25 degrees currently in South Haven and in Battle Creek. Holland checking in at 25. Those feels like readings for the most part holding in the single digits and teens. So you'll want that warm jacket as you head out the door today. Sunglasses today, too, as we will see at least some sunshine. Hold on. Most areas, especially from Grand Rapids off to the south, likely mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies today. So far this month, we've had 4 days with temperatures below average, 3 days with temperatures above average. Yesterday, we topped out at 37 degrees, 4 degrees colder than we should be for highs this time of the year. And just to give you some updated information about where we're at in terms of the seasonal snowfall total for the season so far, we're at 62.1 inches of snow. And the average seasonal snowfall to date should be around 70.8 inches. So we're coming to the final stages of the average snow season across West Michigan. We had our first snowflakes on November 20th, just to trace them out. Remember November, we did have that record snowfall event the Saturday of Thanksgiving weekend. And overall, most months we did pick up decent amounts of snow, but again, followed by melting. So we have lost a whole lot of that snowpack already. So what are we tracking for you already today? Well, a cold and quiet kickoff to the day. We'll see a good deal of sunshine in most places, especially from Grand Rapids to the south, and mainly dry weather as well. Again, we spring ahead tonight. Much warmer air building in next week, including high temperatures that likely will climb into the 60s for highs by Friday. Today, high pressure in control, that cold front to our south. This is the next area of disturbed weather that'll be coming through. Watch the track here. If we do see moisture in the state, it'll be across northern lower Michigan and the UP. A few isolated areas of light flurries, maybe a few sprinkles. Another little disturbance coming through the northern part of the state during the day tomorrow, but much of central and southern lower Michigan completely missing out on it. In fact, I do think that we're missing out on even a good deal of the cloud cover. As we head through the week next week, then it will be a gradual warm up that we occur. Temperatures again today in the 30s for highs, mid to upper 40s tomorrow, 50s by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, highs in the 50s. Look at a dry 7-day forecast, including high temperatures in the 60s on Friday, and that 8 to 14-day outlook keeps the cold air out west. The warm average across the central and eastern U.S. that takes us through the third full week of March.